I bought the cheapest makeup advent calendar that I could find at the drugstore, and this one is the Essence Santa's Sweetest Surprises advent calendar. Say that 3 times. Santa's Sweetest Surprises, Santa's Sweetest Surprises, Santa's Sweetest Surprises. The price of it is $32 and we have 24 products. So the average price for each product is $1.33. We're gonna calculate also the overall value of all the products at the end of the video. About the packaging, I think it is super adorable. It opens like a book and we have all of the products. It is super girly and Christmassy. Drop in the comments how many right guesses you think we're gonna have in this video. I say 10 because usually Essence designs products for the advent calendar, so I don't know what we have. I'm so excited. And let's find door number 1. I think it's gonna be a blush or maybe a highlighter. I don't want to ruin my nails. Moment of truth. Ooh, I'm right. The first product is a beautiful highlighter, and it is a luminous highlighter with golden shimmer particles. Oh my god, it's super pretty. The stamp is so cute that I don't want to swatch it. And we have a light golden shade that can look amazing on any skin tone. I love this color. And you can also use it as an eyeshadow. We started very well. And now let's see, where is door number 2? It's right up here. I think it's gonna be a lipstick. I mean, the size of the door. Or maybe a lip balm. It is a lip balm. The packaging is the same with the advent calendar. I love that. And this is the translucent lip balm. Wow, that looks super nice. It has a sweet scent. Oh, it's so satisfying. You know, for those cutting lipstick videos. Where are you 3? I think this is gonna be a brush. And we have... Dun dun dun! What is this? I'm right. So this one is the Soft Touch Eyeshadow Shader Brush. The pouch is super adorable. And let's see the brush. I'm really curious about the design of the handle. It's so cute! We have this brush in every Essence advent calendar, but with a different design, so I don't mind that. Following that, door number 4 is here. I'm gonna say a lipstick. Oh, I don't want to ruin it. Oh no, I'm wrong. I'm really curious how it looks. Ooh, it's so cool. This one contains 5 milliliters. I mean, that's a lot of product. Let's go now to door number 5. This one also looks like a powder product. I'm gonna say a blush. Let's see what we have. Oh, it doesn't look like a blush. This eyeliner tool which makes your dream of a perfect wing come true. Oh, it's so cute! It looks like a moon. Ooh, but why do we have the rest of the moon? I have never tried something like this before. And door number 6 says subscribe. I'm joking, but subscribe so you don't miss my new videos. So let's see if it is mini tweezers. We don't have mini tweezers. What is this? It's cute. So this one is the pH reacting blush stick. Oh, it doesn't smell. Swatching time. I'm very curious to see if it is color changing on my hand. Yes! It is getting pinkier. And let's find it now. Door number 7. It looks like a blush, so I'm gonna say a blush. And guess what? It's not. What is this? It is super cute. So this is a lip scrub pad. At first glance, it looks like that pad that you are washing your brushes on. I have never tried something like this. It smells a little bit plasticky. On the same layer, we have door number 8. This looks like a lipstick, so I'm gonna say a lipstick. And we have... Dun. What is this? Is this an eyeshadow? And we have here the highlighting pen.
Highlighting.
For sparkling inner eye accents or brow highlighting. It is almost transparent with some sparkles, and if you blend it, it's not really noticeable, so maybe it looks better on the eyes. Door number 9, I think we're gonna have something like a brush. It's not a brush. And these are the Perfect Nails manicure sticks. It's always very handy to have these. Where are you? Door number 10. Maybe a mini lip pencil? Let's go for it. It's not. And this is a hand care treatment with shea butter and vitamin E. And we have some gingerbread cookies here. I'm curious about the scent. I hope it is gingerbread. Oh, it's not. It is something sweet. Berries? I'm not sure. Door 11 now. Maybe it is a lipstick. Maybe it is not. Most probably it is not. Oh, I was very close. And this one is the Shiny Lip Plumper. It smells again like berries. I'm not a scent expert. Door number 12. So maybe these are some blotting papers. I don't think it is a powder product. What is this? And it is a scrunchie. The little pouch is super cute. Dun dun dun. Okay, it looks absolutely atrocious. It has a lot of threads. It's not well made. The stitching is so bad and the material feels very cheap.
I'm very disappointed.
Where are you, 13? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna say lipstick again. We always get a lipstick in Essence Advent Calendars, and it's not. I'm wrong again. It is a nail polish, and this one is a mini red nail polish. Door 14. This looks like a brush. Come on, brushes. And this is the Soft Touch Eyebrow Spoolie brush. I'm really curious about the design and the handle. Come here, Spoolie. Oops. Oh no, what happened to my spoolie? There is something like glue on my brush. It looks very bad. No, why? This is the first time that I'm getting faulty products from an Essence Advent Calendar. I'm sad. 15. Where are you, 15? Whoa, oh, it's here. This looks like a very thin nail file, just because the shape is not squarish. Oh no. And this is the Precise Kajal pencil. It's very creamy. It's a very nice shade to use on the eyelid to create a smoky eye look. No. It has color of another product on it. What is going on? The product is dirty. Door 16 now. Ooh, it's here. This looks like a blush. Dun dun. Oh boy, it's not a blush. And we have some adorable metallic nail stickers. They are super cute. And you can also use them with the nail polishes that we got. Up next, door 17. What can it be? I'm gonna say a lip pencil. Oh, I was close. And this one is the lipstick crayon. It's very creamy. Door 18 now. Ooh, this is very big. What can it be? I'm gonna say an eyeshadow palette. And it's gonna be blotting paper. Oh my god, it's gonna be a sheet mask. Okay, let's see. So we have here the Shooting Star Hydrogel Eye Patches, and it gives a stunning white hollow star effect. I really like their eye patches, and I can't wait to use these as well. Let's find door 19. Ooh, it's here. I'm gonna say a blush again. Why not? And we have... This is not a blush. What is this? A little soap? Oh, we have those little sponges. Let's see what colors we have. Oh, it's a different shape. And very squishy. Following that, door 20. Where are you? Okay, it's this one. So, it looks like a small eye primer because one year we had something like that. So let's see. Bam, bam, bam. Oh.
It's not.
And this one is an eyeshadow topper. I read stopper. Oh, I'm losing it. I'm very curious to swatch it. You don't really see the eyeshadow. Is this actually a dauber? But it looks very dry and powdery on the eyes. I ruined my makeup. This is not actually a dauber because it covered my eyeshadow. And it's not very sparkly.
By the way,
Let's find Door 21. Oh, it's here. It is definitely a brush. Boom. Alright! I'm hoping this one is not faulty. And let's see the brush. Boom. Okay. There is some glue here. I hope I can remove it. No.
I'm mad.
Door 22, where are you? I'm gonna say again a lipstick because, you know, I just said it only 20 times in this video. Dun dun dun. Oh my god, it looks amazing. It is so mesmerizing and aesthetically pleasing, very fairy-like. So this is a mini iridescent nail top coat. Oh, it goes with my eyeshadows. I really like this one. Door 23 is on the same layer. Can we say layer? I'm not sure. I think this is gonna be a mirror. Basically, I have no clue. And it is not a mirror. Wah, wah, wah. And this is a hydrating face primer for an even complexion. The packaging is super adorable. It smells so much like perfume. The scent is not so noticeable now. Door 24. I'm gonna say lip pencil. And it is... it's not. What is going on with me today? And we have here a lip tint. Doesn't look like it is gonna stain my skin. Completely dry now. It didn't stain. I don't really like this. In this video, I did horribly with my guesses. I got only 3 right. The overall value is $50.59, which is not bad. The variety was actually nice. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4.5 stars because of the faulty products. Drop in the comments what is your favorite product of today's video. Mine is the highlighter. And make sure to watch this video as well